Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix you can't install Windows on a USB flash drive using setup on Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click control. Open portable operating system, change value data to 0. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.